The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057, 94851 58603, 700 505 7728, 8794 250646.
On Saturday, the 20th of July 2024, the Synjuk Rangbah Hynñiewtrep, the Confederation of Clan Elders in Khasi Society, convened at the Dorbar House of Mulong, Marngar to establish new units across the Khasi Jaintia Hills, focusing on the Ri Bhoi unit. Key appointments for the Ri Bhoi unit included Donbok Hemdek and Plostars Aim as advisors, R. Rangbah as president, Kaming Marsing as vice president, Rudolf Bon Makri as secretary, Bioking Timung and Biestar Selyang as joint secretaries, and R. Bristar Shadab as treasurer. Executive members included Prangsngi Sangkli, Nolkien Tron, Bres Dorphang, Maushan Lang Pamshong, Trebor Nongrang, Chesterfield Umba, Quider Singh Simli, Thile Lingdo Merdon, Drid Soktung, Brisk Leng, Joblin Tangsang, and others. The afternoon session discussed the matrilineal clan lineage system with key speakers including R.L. Kharpran as president, Erwin Knongs Aim Sutnga, the spokesperson, and representatives R. Rankansai Makdo, R.B. Shadab, and D. Dunstan Kongla. They emphasized cultural preservation and inter-community harmony, extending hospitality to Khasi clan members in neighboring states and even in Bangladesh. The gathering not only formalized the Ri Bhoi unit of the Confederation, but also reaffirmed the commitment to Khasi traditions, cultural preservation, and inter-community harmony within the dynamic socio-cultural landscape of the Khasi Jaintia Hills.
July senam 2006 di Banu Muslim kadang kapur kebagi hak pandia devania kelaknok ini nang ni di reklam nak kerja kedin artin kumuladan packing diam kurang di kalau berdengkap nak kalian jongi kinong kitkam jong ke Ri Bhoi district nang ni ka syak rekam jaga beri Hynñiewtrep nang ni
tangi ro ibu ni jong kita kiba bisuai jak kongla tangi nak kalian kesekur kongla kira rai ba ya kita ro kita berpedu doa mentah te hagwa de pa maka jika day juga jadi itu seorang kawai ini lawan ya kedua yang diusi manhaka handrum terik ila ay jatuh ru ba uni itu na shua ba in isu yang kedua kalau ke estes juga siapa bapan yang kene election meeting rangkap pada edisi i kong bla pada edisi dengan pilih jemut sibun kiai dan mereka pasnosi kalau ba katung ke Cimbata jong disi jongi ba Appoint Jaintia Hills adu mentah ke district council jongi ke cap kampat itu yang tekikur karena telingi dan hampo dalam ke district dan mereka pasnola mo kalau ba nakalian jongi kena sekolah ba kuliah ide reses yang kita isiap bagi pun bagi kur poin sekisan sepaktam nak bakal kadang kali sama disi wong saya kopi yang ini
ni thot nakalian ke Synjuk ki Ri Bhoi mo begini Ri Bhoi di bagi kendu jongi pat kum ginong trekam lane ginong yalam hang ni ke dong Ri Bhoi pat kalau hak bayar day pat kini ki paranong shong jongi ki bedai ki karbi lane ki bagi asmes ki onge ki mikir di bat kani ga kitin bohoi ru abang ipe ya gitu gi jing thok jong ini gi nong thok kot kam tam la du gi por pareng ong bohoi gamut ya gi karbi kamut ya gi non karbi
nga ka jing thok nga ai so ka joint parliamentary committee ko omba don kam ya ka sedul bandam di chapter ne ka chapter jong ka asam ka nya ka jong mar ki di gusto ki ka ber ka jong ka tripura ka nya ka mizoram ka nya